Hello, and for the final homework here, we're going to be doing the technical portion of this homework 9. So basically, I'm just going to go through and I'm going to show you what we've done through Eclipse and AtomPierre as far as generating a model, creating a hook for XCMOM in the email generation. I'm going to show you modifying that hook and how that sends an email. I'm going to show you how to create a new window from an existing window, and I'm also going to show you configuring the default logic. So to start off, we're going to go to Eclipse. I'm going to show you the basic setup I have here. So just going to show you the generated model that we have. They're quite a lot of files, so it takes a little bit to load. So we can go down here to X, C, there we are. XCMOM discussion line, XCMOM participants line, XCMOM. These are all files that I've created through the generating a model. And if you want to see it run, you can go over here to the AtomPierre Java model that I've created. Click the run button and it should open up AtomPierre for us. There we are. So we can just log in as garden admin. Okay, now before we get too far away from Eclipse, I'm just going to show you the mmom, which is a hook that goes on top of the XCMOM, which allows us to modify the document without necessarily changing the default logic of our XCMOM. And you can see the code that goes along with this. And what this is basically going to do is going to send an email to all the participants of our MOM window whenever there is a modification made. So we can go to our AtomPierre menu. Okay, so now in AtomPierre, I'll go ahead and show you some of the changes that you can do. So I just opened up minutes of meeting, and let's say that I wanted to change this message. So I'm going to say to anything. Go out here, click save. Now I'm automatically updated with an email. Now we come over here to my email. There we are. We have an after save, which is a notification that tells me that anything has been updated in the system. Following an agenda, anything would be the name of the model. So it worked, and we have our email. So we can go back, and I'll just show you a few of the other things. Configuring a default logic. Okay, that's basically, I did it with start date for the default logic, which means that I configured the default logic to say whenever I create a new window in MOM tab, the start date is automatically today's date. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that real quick. New, I can open this up, and there you are. April 18th, that's today, is the default start date of that. So if we want to show you something further, we can shut that down and show you how to create a new window out of an old window. So go back here and run our AtomPierre again, because this time I have to log in as system. Okay, so now that we're in system, create a new window, and we are going to copy window tabs. So I guess I have to give this a name first. Okay, everything else should be good. Now we can go to our minutes of meeting, and there's our tabs that come along with it, and our fields that come along with it are exactly the same as the minutes of meeting window that we had created before. So now we've created another window from our previous window.